Hello creators, and welcome to Creating with Ms. K. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I would like to welcome you and let you know how happy I am to have you visiting my channel. Once you get into my video and you decide that you like it, I hope that you will go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button twice so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. And to my current subscribers, I want you to know how happy I am to have you back. I am so honored just to be hosting this channel and to have you visit me. Yes, it's coming up to Valentine's Day, and I have been in such a romantic mood here lately. And as you all know, I love animal print, and I also love the color red. I have decided to do a coffee station using a combination of red and animal print. I brought out my cute little teapots and some of my thrift items, a lot of my DIYs, and I hope that you will enjoy. To change up, even in my kitchen, I'm going to use gold. I normally prefer my silvers, but this time I'm using gold. As you see, I have my gold tray, my ivory and gold coffee pot, my red Keurig. I am going to assemble everything for my coffee station. I have a lot to put together, but you know what? I think it's going to be worth it. I wanted a more romantic feel. I did a coffee station earlier using pinks and reds, and I love the way it turned out, but I wanted a more mature look, something that was more romantic, a little sexy, a little wild, if I can say, and just to put even more glam, and this gold is doing it. I used my martini glass and added my sugar. I'm using my white and gold cups, my animal print glass tray, and so this is so romantic. I've used as much animal prints, the reds, and I love it. What do you all think about this? I'm using the red glittered rosettes. I just threw them around. We have the fresh fruit. I'm using my cupcake tins with the candies. Not only does it look romantic, it looks just downright sexy to me. This is so beautiful. I have the assortments of my coffee, teas, and cocoa. I even DIY'd my Love Dollar Tree sign by just adding a little animal print to it, as well as a heart bowl from the Dollar Tree. I added animal print to it as well. I am in love with this coffee station. And maybe we could say tea bar as well, because I do like to drink hot tea. So this is how everything turned out. Nice, romantic, grown, and sexy. I hope you have enjoyed. I would like to thank you for watching, and since we only have just a few more days before Valentine's Day, I hope that you have a very happy and romantic Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching. I have truly enjoyed making this video, and remember, if you do like it, please give me a thumbs up. Be safe, be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.